the infinitive, the participle, and the gerund. The infinitive. It is not limited by person or number. It is not tied to the subject as the finite verb is. It is a verb with to before it or not. She refused to answer my question. The order was to be obeyed by all. Passive. The participle. It can be verb and adjective combined. Present participle. Our friends came out of the dining hall eating the food. Eating modifies the food. Driving the vehicle, he listened to songs. Driving modifies the vehicle. A participle can be a verb and adjective combined. Past participle. The princess bought the trained dog. Trained modifies dog. The gerund. It is verb and noun combined. Teaching is enjoyable. She likes singing on wet summer mornings. Note the uses of gerunds and participles. The gerund. We are praying for our success. They work hard on cutting down trees. Flying is exciting. The participle. Praying for our success, we lay down. Cutting down trees, they work hard. To fly is exciting. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon, like our video and share it with your friends. Bye bye till next video.